my experience with physics is as follows. My name is James E. Beecham, MD, and when I was in high school, I took a physics class and I liked it a lot and was very interested. And then when I went to college, I did study a little physics, but not in any great detail because I went in the direction of biology and ended up going to medical school and practicing medicine for more than 30 years. But beginning in the middle of December of 2025, since I was retired and had some time, I decided to go back and look at physics. And what you have in the papers that you have available for you is a result of that effort to understand physics on my part. The first 1,000 papers, which are on Zenodo and also available through the website, those were my learning curve, my learning experience. So you'll find I kind of jumped around in subjects. I was trying to understand the universe, how it works and why. And so then after about 1,000 papers, I had understood a bit more and was able to, I believe, correctly define how gravity works, for example, and how magnetism works. And because of that understanding, I started the websites, the jamesebeecham.com and SP3theory.com. And in those websites, I'm presenting the papers which describe how the universe works. I believe it's a beginning and it needs a lot of work, and I'm inviting scientists around the world to read and understand, and if they're interested, to work on it, because we've still got a lot to do, but it's a basic framework. It'll get us started. This paper, which is at the top of your screen, it's called the Condominium Universe. And what it basically does, it gives us a familiar environment, the condominium, which we can use as an analogy for the universe. And when you read it, you'll understand that my inspiration was that our scientists have been seeing the universe in operation and making equations for the various functions. But what they've missed is that there is an organization beneath the equations. And I'm using the analogy of the condominium because one day I happened to open the door and saw the maintenance shop where the lawnmower was and the fertilizer spreader and so forth. And you'll understand when you read the paper, but basically I saw what was the organizing function of the universe, and it all became clear. So I invite you to read the paper, and I believe you'll then have a good framework when you go read the other papers. And I appreciate you joining the SP3 Theory group, and I wish you well. Thank you.